A Journey to Apptoberfest. Oh, hello there. I'm sorry, I didn't realize you were here. Just getting ready for our next event. You know, Apptoberfest. And wait, did I forgot to create the event. Classic. Hold on. Let me just open Jira real quick. No worries. I got this app that can set up an event in Google Calendar without even leaving Jira. Click, click, and done. Here it is. Now, where was I? Oh yeah. It should be a great party. Everybody will be there. And wait, I forgot to invite people. One more sec. First, I'll link our partner contact list from Google Drive directly to the Jira issue. This way, it stays secure, ensuring that only authorized users can access and modify it. Next, I'll ask for some help in editing the event in Jira to make sure everyone gets their invitation in time. Here you go. I like using this free app, Connectors for Jira. It's like a bridge between Jira and my favorite tools. I even heard HubSpot integration is coming soon. Anyway, I'm late for the event. See you at Apptoberfest. Cheers! Connectors for Jira. Built by Okapia.